What if I told you a single device could completely redefine the way you capture the world around you? Imagine a drone so advanced, so seamlessly designed, it feels like an extension of your creative vision. Today, we're diving into the DJI Avata 3, a revolutionary FPV drone that's turning heads and setting new benchmarks in aerial photography and videography. But what exactly makes it so special? And more importantly, is it the drone you've been waiting for? Let's explore. To truly appreciate the DJI Avata 3, we have to start with the heart of any great drone, the camera. The Avata 3's 4K camera doesn't just capture footage. It brings moments to life with breathtaking clarity, vibrant colors, and intricate details. Picture this. You're soaring over a dense, colorful forest at golden hour. With its HDR capabilities, this drone ensures no detail is lost, whether it's the sun's rays piercing through the trees or the deep shadows of the forest floor. Its advanced gimbal stabilization guarantees smooth, cinematic footage, even when you're pushing the drone to its limits with high-speed maneuvers. Whether you're capturing fast-paced action or a serene landscape, the Avata 3's camera turns every shot into a masterpiece. But the Avata 3 isn't just about stunning visuals. It's about how you get them. Its design is a marvel of engineering. Imagine a drone that's both rugged and lightweight, capable of handling the demands of intense FPV flying while remaining agile enough to navigate tight spaces. The aerodynamic profile minimizes drag, boosting flight efficiency, while LED indicators enhance visibility and add a touch of futuristic style. One standout feature is its modular design, which simplifies maintenance and upgrades. For anyone serious about aerial photography, this level of adaptability is priceless. And then there's the flying experience itself. The DJI Avata 3 doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. Its upgraded propulsion system and precise controls make even the most complex aerial maneuvers feel effortless. Beginners will appreciate its intuitive handling, while seasoned pilots can push its boundaries with confidence. With up to 25 minutes of flight time per battery, you have the freedom to chase the perfect shot without the constant worry of running out of power. Plus, the advanced obstacle avoidance sensors ensure you can fly through intricate environments, think dense forests or bustling urban areas, without fear of collisions. Speaking of flying, have you ever wondered what it would feel like to truly experience flight? The Avata 3 delivers that thrill with its immersive FPV experience. Paired with DJI's latest goggles and controllers, it offers a high-resolution, low-latency live feed that makes you feel like you're on board the drone itself. Imagine racing over mountain ridges, weaving through canyons, or skimming across the ocean, all with crystal-clear visuals and intuitive controls that respond to your every command. Whether you're a hobbyist looking for excitement or a professional aiming to capture jaw-dropping shots, the Avata 3 offers endless possibilities. Of course, no drone would be complete without robust safety features, and the Avata 3 doesn't disappoint. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensors provide an extra layer of security, while the return-to-home function ensures the drone comes back safely if the signal is lost or the battery runs low. Geofencing technology helps you avoid restricted zones, keeping your flights both legal and safe. And if you ever lose track of your drone, the Find My Drone feature, with its GPS tracking and audible beeps, makes retrieval a breeze. Then there's the battery system, a game changer in itself. With extended flight times and fast charging capabilities, the Avata 3 ensures you spend more time flying and less time waiting. Whether you're capturing a sprawling cityscape or following an action-packed subject, you can trust this drone to keep up with your creative demands. Finally, let's talk about connectivity. The Avata 3's ergonomic remote control offers precise, customizable inputs that make flying intuitive and fun. Its advanced transmission technology extends the range, while the DJI Fly app enhances your control with real-time telemetry and live feeds. Features like these make the drone not just a tool, but an extension of your creative process. So, what does all this mean? The DJI Avata 3 isn't just a drone, it's a new standard in FPV technology. From its cutting-edge camera to its immersive flying experience and unparalleled safety features, It's a tool that empowers both hobbyists and professionals to push their creativity to new heights. Whether you're looking to capture cinematic shots or simply enjoy the thrill of flying, the Avata 3 delivers in every way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.